chia seeds choked a man to death. Yes, there has been a case recorded that a person almost choked to death because of chia seeds. What happened in his case? What exactly happened? Why did chia seeds? How come chia seeds choke a person? Okay, this is something very much a matter of concern that I think certain times, certain small negligent things goes unnoticed, and it can really be a lot of threat to your life. So make sure you're watching this video, completely watch this video to the very end and do not make this particular one mistake. Looks very simple at times. कुछ लोगों में ये होगा नहीं, but क्या पता कि 1% लोगों में ये होगा, and that 1% is you. So make sure you're not missing out this video. Watch this video to the complete end. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and also hit the bell button as well. This is Dr. Niranjan medical content, so I'll be only getting medical content here, and there is also Dr. Niranjan vlogs where vlogs bhi aayega, jiska link description mein jaake subscribe kar do. So let's start today's video that how did chia seed choke a person almost to death. Now we all know that chia seed is a wonderful food. Okay, it contains minerals, antioxidants, fibers, omega-3 fatty acids. There are so many benefits of chia seeds. It's absolutely a superfood that I can call it as. Now what happened is one person. What happened is he actually had an enormous amount of chia seeds and just had it directly without soaking it in water. He just took it and had it directly. So what happened in his case was when he took all that a spoonful of chia seeds directly and just consumed it, certain chia seeds were attached to the walls of his esophagus. So chia seed has one property, that is it expands 27 times its weight once it comes in contact with water. So ये जो attach हुआ था because when it came in contact with water, it got swollen up and उसका choking हो गया. Okay, so it is really a matter of concern. He could have died there. Okay, so always remember, when you're having chia seeds, do not directly have it. Soak it with water or any other food, or maybe milk, जो भी है आपका जो भी convenient होगा, you can have it with that. That is very much easy and very much not so dangerous. Now people might think कि इसमें क्या है यार, डायरेक्ट खाएंगे कुछ होगा नहीं ऐसा. See, every time it's not the same thing. Okay, तो आप लकी होगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा, अनलकी होगे तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो सकता है. So make sure this is one thing that you are remembering and do not make one particular mistake. So I hope you like this video. It's a short and simple video. Make sure you're sharing this video. Okay, just share this video guys, and hit the bell button, comment भी कर देना and subscribe ज़रूर कर देना. So I'm Dr. Niranjan Samani. जो भी है सही है. I love you DNSians. In the end I want to tell one thing, that is eat healthy, stay healthy, only positivity, no negativity. Until my new video comes. Bye bye.